Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today I will be showing you how to add additional users to your Google Analytics account so that other people have access to viewing or editing aspects of your website's analytics. It's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is go to the bottom left-hand corner of Google Analytics and click Admin. And in the center here where it says Property Access Management, that's where you are going to want to click. And then you're going to see a plus icon in the top right hand corner. Click that and type in the email address of the person that you'd like to grant access to. Keep in mind that this does have to be a Gmail account. If you try to add something like an MSN account or AOL or Hotmail or Yahoo, etc., it will not work. It needs to be a Gmail account. You then have the option to edit their permissions, so you can give someone the access to edit, collaborate, or read and analyze. If you don't want people to be able to edit anything or create anything in your Google Analytics, such as goals, filters, or views, or if you don't want them to be able to add new users to your analytics, make sure you just check off read and analyze, which is what I'm doing here. This will allow them to view the data for your website, but won't allow them to actually edit anything. Once you're done, click the button that says Add. And as you can see, the email is now added to the list of emails that have access. And if you ever need to remove the user, just click on the icon with the 3 little dots and then click Remove. And it is as simple as that. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.